na Peter Newton Lartey video analyst post journalist chemu say player on Nations FC which is Razak Simpson enye fit for Kotoko, onye ripped for Kotoko, onye ready for Kotoko. Now while listing 8 players are to him no ohunu say Kotoko at the end of the season eko sign omo a ebeboa Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na these players are in the Ghana Premier League currently Kotoko setup na omo na betimi abo Kotoko no 8 key players play on the screen so Shokan Mohammed oka list no ho then your Ebenezer Aban of Heart of Lion also and that screen so no na Karela for player baako and so Rashid Alassane then former Kumasi Asante Kotoko player Kayeke and so say ohunu say Kayeke back to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no this time ebefa amano because wako match on the football no then oba Kumasi Asante Kotoko back ebeboa no papa Newton says 8 players players are in the Ghana Premier League there also eno and Kumasi Asante Kotoko sign apart from them no oko sign baby awan ha obetwa eja wadwo so Newton list no ewa hase ya what match I do no me the list ni nyina abeto so ama na ya go through them. It be a goalkeepers, it be a center backs, it be a central midfielders, it be a defensive midfielders. Yes, and striker. Striker be wo insuatre my friend Kujo Newton HM say I was say striker no Eba Kotoko. And Evans Oseusu the forward of Samates on also a list no. Na list no mensaka ma fan to so straight away. So Newton, according to him, these are the players who deserve say Kotoko sign. Emmanuel Kobe, goalkeeper Bofakwa. Emmanuel Kobe, goalkeeper Bofakwa. Emmanuel Edusian, left back. So Newton, and also was Samates. Kotoko left back or no Newton who say Emmanuel Edusian of Samates. Ali Mohammed, center back, Accra Lions. Ali Mohammed, center back. And Ebenezer Banon, so center back, Heart of Lions. Rashid Alassane. And so a center back about the ball Kerala United Rashid Alassane and I say you see down and also a defensive midfielder Obeka say I report about him say do you see and also I report about him say Kotoko shown interest Shokan Mohammed and also Accra Lions Shokan Mohammed midfielder Accra Lions Keke Samates and also a central midfielder Keke and Evans Oseusu a winger and also Kotoko shown interest. Evans Oseusu then Collins Kujo a striker which is forward for Insuatrema. So Newton list no and that screen so no. I don't know what you think. These are the 8 players the sports journalists and video analysts recommend this omo and the players of Ghana Premier League was Kotoko sign omo.